So guys, today's topic is about the top 10 anime that I'm looking forward to in this month of Jan 2021. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Karasuno Seido. So guys, on number 10 position we have Beastars second season. Beastars was one of the popular anime that was released in 2019 and the sequel is coming this year on January 7th to continue the story where it was left off. So on number 9 we have Horimiya. Horimiya is the new slice of life and comedy anime that is coming this season on January 10th. This story is all about two main characters named Kyoko Hori, who is a girl, and Izumi Miyamura, who is a boy. These two characters are completely opposite personalities, but they cross paths with each other and the rest of the story follows.
石川くんは堀さんが好き。
宮村なんか楽しそうだし。
なんか私以外の人に宮村のそういう格好とか見てほしくないな。
On number 8 we have 2.43 Sein High School Boys Volleyball Club. This anime is releasing on January 8th of this season. So many people have lots of expectations on this anime as this is the second volleyball anime after Haikyuu. Haikyuu is very popular and because of that everyone is waiting for this anime too.
俺が終わらせてしまった。まだ相島とバレエがしたい。黒羽と相島の確執。
On number 7 we have Kemono Jihen. This anime is coming on January 10th of this season. This story starts off with a strange boy helping out an investigator coming from Tokyo who specializes in occult. This anime genre is action and supernatural.
の探偵みたいなもんだけど、ここへは調査で来てるんだよね。
犬神さんは獣のことなら何でもする探偵なんです。
On number 6 we have World Trigger second season. I think most of the people haven't seen this anime yet and you people are really missing out a very good one. This anime is coming on January 10th of this season. Toei Animation, which is famously known for doing One Piece, is taking this anime's animation. On number 5 we have 7 Deadly Sins Season 4. Not only 7 Deadly fans but also every anime lover was very disappointed by the animation done on Season 3. I know everyone is expecting to have at least a decent animation for this season. This anime is coming on January 13 of this season.
変えてでも。
この巨大な眉は一体。
私の一撃に無傷とはおこがましいですね。
On number 4 we have ReZero second season part 2. This anime is coming out on January 6th of this season. I personally like this anime very much and I am really waiting for something good to happen with Subaru.
だが問題はこの聖域だけに限らない。屋敷を死角に襲わせる依頼は私が出したものなのだからね。
On number 3 we have That Time I Got Reincarnated as Slime Season 2. The first season of this anime was very popular as the main character Rimuru Tempest was very overpowered and story was well set. This anime is coming on January 12th of this season.
魔物たちの国を作ったりみんなを守るために戦ってシズさんの未練子供たちも無事に助け出すことができた。大変なことがいろいろあったけどなあランガこんな平和がずっと続くといいな。
On number 2 we have Dr. Stone Stone Wars. This anime is the second season for Dr. Stone which came out in 2019 and was very popular. I really love this anime so much that I started to feel science is really interesting now after seeing this anime. This anime is coming out on January 14th of this season.
うまくいけば本当に司ちゃん帝国無血開城で70億人を救える。
良いのだな殺して。
もしかするとその腰の物騒なもんは出番すらねえかもしんねえぞ。情報の挟み撃ちだ。
On number 1 position we have Promised Neverland Season 2. Undoubtedly, this anime is the most awaited anime of this season. Almost everyone was excited after watching the season 1 of this anime and are waiting to see what Emma and others gonna do after escaping the facility. This anime is coming out on Jan 8th of this season.
そうミネルヴァさんが私たちを導いてくれる。
深い森で生き合ったのは
こっちよ。
クローネが言ってた。外に人間はいる。
あなたは誰？何者？
なぜ鬼が人間を助けたんだ？鬼なんだよな。あんたもあの男も。